Are you tired of spending hours tweaking templates that just don't fit your brand? Imagine building a beautiful portfolio or event landing page just by telling your website what you need. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's real with Readdy. Readdy uses AI to design professional, responsive websites with simple prompts. Whether you're a creative professional, event organizer, or small business owner, this tool gives you the power to create, edit, and publish stunning websites without touching code. Let's create a website together from scratch. Visit readdy.ai, and once you're logged in, click Create New Project. Now write the name of your project here and select the code through which you will generate your website. It's easy. When you click here, you'll be taken to a new tab. Scroll down a bit and you'll find many website templates that you can use and modify as you like, or you can take inspiration from them to build your own website. If you want to create your own website, then select the category desktop or mobile. Now write your website prompt here about the topic you want to create the website on. So I will write it here. Create a modern event landing page for a tech conference called Future Connect 2025. Hit enter, and within seconds, Readdy generates a full layout, including header, schedule, speakers, and a call to action. By clicking on Continue to Generate, you can also modify your website. From here, you can also change the website's color, style, export it, share it, and copy the code. Now let's fine-tune the visuals. Readdy allows point-to-point image editing, so you can update specific images in seconds. Replace the main banner image with a futuristic city skyline at night. Or click the image and select Edit greater than Replace Image and upload your own. Want to adjust the layout or alignment? Just say, center the hero text vertically and add a blue overlay to the banner. And watch it update instantly. To add more pages like About, Contact, or a gallery, use the powerful Continue to Generate feature. Add a new page for speaker profiles with images and bios. Then continue to generate a contact page with a form and location map. Readdy builds and links these pages automatically, keeping your design consistent. Want to make your homepage more dynamic? Let's add animations and visual effects. Add a smooth zoom-in animation to the hero section background. Or add a video background of a tech-themed animation in the hero section. Once you're happy with the site, it's time to publish or export. Export as HTML, CSS code. Export to Figma. Or publish to a custom domain. Click Export and Publish in the top bar and choose your preferred method. You can connect your custom domain directly or hand off the code to a dev team. Let's quickly set up a subscriber or RSVP form using Readdy's automatic form builder. Add a form to collect email, name, and job title for early access notifications. Or insert RSVP form with name, email, and number of guests. Readdy instantly generates the form and links it to your data dashboard. No coding, no integrations, just smart automation. With Readdy, you're not dragging and dropping blocks. You're having a conversation with a design assistant that gets your ideas. Whether you need a sleek portfolio or an impactful event landing page, Readdy makes it happen fast. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart design tutorials. Have questions or want a walkthrough of another Readdy feature? Drop it in the comments below. Ready to try it out yourself? Head to readdy.ai and start creating websites the smarter way.